What are the benefits of data cleanup? I can answer that really quickly. There's 4 fundamental reasons. The first one is cost. It saves you cost. If you're sending information to the wrong individuals or the wrong companies, then you're costing yourself money, direct and indirect costs. Second thing is the brand values, and that's probably the hardest to actually quantify. But the impact of sending a wrongly addressed or a wrongly named communication to a customer is really bad. It makes your brand look appalling. Third reason is really down to getting your bills paid. If you've got the wrong person on your database, you've got the wrong individual, or they've moved, and you're trying to get them to pay the bill, well, you can't chase them down because you don't know where they are, you've got the wrong information. And the fourth reason is insight and reporting. It's absolutely crucial that you know where your business is at, what your metrics, your KPIs are. If you haven't cleaned your data, then all of your metrics, all of your KPIs are all going to be incorrect. So really, that's why you should be cleaning your data.